Hi, welcome back on the Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add account in Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings and scroll down to search for the user and accounts here. And as you see, there is option add account, and there you can add account from others application. For example, here you can add a Google account, your Gmail. Of course, there is Exchange. In this case, we have a Prime Video and Twitter because this app is already installed on our phone. If you're gonna have some other application, there will be option here to add the account. When you click it, you're gonna get some info and operation to add your account when creating an email, password, and much many more. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. Yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.